Okay, welcome back to the channel. And today's video is a first look, unboxing and review of a great little shortwave radio I just picked up. It's the Tecsun R-9012. It's a very inexpensive shortwave radio, pocket radio, tabletop radio that claim to fame is that it is fully analog. No digital DSP circuitry. Old-fashioned analog, and you can still purchase it brand new. There's several out there, but this one is highly regarded, gets good reviews, so I figured I'd pick it up. There are plenty of videos out there, but I figured I'd just take a look at it and review some of the features. You can pick these up for about $20 online, and they're great radios. Very small package. So let's take a look at the boxing. It came in packaged very nicely with some bubble wrap there. The radio was protected. And you get your little manual. We'll take a look at that. It's a 12-band world receiver. You have FM, medium wave, and short wave is broken into 1 through 10 banks. It has an LED indicator for tuning. It has a rear kickstand. It has a telescopic antenna for shortwave and FM, about 21 inches when fully extended. Has a built-in ferrite bar antenna for medium wave. Tuning knob on the right side. Frequency tuning dial scale display. Band selector, like I said, FM, medium wave, shortwave 1 through 10. Band indicator. The battery compartment is in the rear, 2 AA batteries. Has a DC jack, earphone jack, 3.5mm, volume knob, and hand strap. Very small package. Literally almost fits in your shirt pocket. Great for tossing in your backpack. Great on FM. Now let's set it up and see. Let's see how it sounds. The antenna is fully rotatable, 360 degrees. You can good for picking up weaker stations. You start out on shortwave on 75 meters, 3.7. There's a look at the side there. You got your tuning dial. 3.5mm ear jack and your 3-volt DC input. It's positive on the top, negative on the bottom. There's your tuning dial, your on and off switch. Alright, let's turn it on. Immediately the tuning dial comes on. Tuning light shows that you're tuned into a frequency. Like I said, you start off on shortwave band 1, 3.7 megahertz to 410. Shortwave 2 is 4.6 to 5.5. Shortwave 3, 5.9 to 6.0. Shortwave 4, 6.9 to 7.3, 41 meter band. Shortwave 5, 9.25 to 9.95, 31 meters, popular band. Shortwave 6, 11.6 to 12.05. Shortwave 7, 13.2 to 13.8. Shortwave 8, 15 flat to 15.75, the 19 meter band. Shortwave 9, 17.5 to 18.0. Shortwave 10, 21.2 to 21.9, which not too much activity these days on shortwave band 10. But it comes packed with a lot of frequencies. Great receive. Now I'm inside and got some interference from that LED light that's right above the screen. So like I said, this is just an unboxing and the first look. I'll put out some more videos getting in some weaker shortwave stations. You can attach a long wire to that telescopic whip, pull in some weak stations, on the shortwave band. Receives good on AM with the ferrite, built-in ferrite antenna. There's the long wire I was talking about. Hooked that up. But like I said, I was only getting the big stations because of that LED light was creating a little bit of interference. And you can even hear the difference when I attach that long wire. The tuning dial is a smooth operation, and you can quickly go through the FM, medium wave, and 10 shortwave bands. So you can tune the bands pretty quick. No scan function at this price, but you wouldn't expect to see one at a $20 shortwave radio. It's the, like I said, it's the Tecsun R-9012, made in China. And they come highly recommended for great analog receive and tuning. There you go, it's picking up the tune indicator light is on. Alright, there you have it. Like I said, just a first look, unboxing and review of the Tecsun R-9012 little pocket shortwave receiver. Like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. Thanks for watching.